Investors should be interested in alternatives because they provide a very unique solution for most people's portfolios. The ability to be long and short, to take advantage of opportunities that exist in the marketplace, taking advantage of dislocations when they occur in all the major asset classes, whether it's stocks or bonds, currencies or commodities. This is what hedge funds are very good at, and I think investors ought to be taking advantage of those opportunities when they can in liquid products. Today's environment is really full of opportunities in the macro sector. So the imbalances that are arising because of monetary policy here in the US, in Japan, and in Europe really mean that currencies, fixed income securities, commodities can really move a lot. And managers who have the ability to identify opportunities in those areas will be able to make a lot of money as those imbalances work their way through the market. There are very few strategies that can't work in an environment like we have today. The Fed has been very aggressive at providing liquidity to the system, so the beneficiaries of that have been fixed income securities. Equities are certainly in a place right now where we think the fundamental valuation metrics can assert themselves very strongly, that managers can take advantage of on both the long and the short side in their portfolios. The event-driven space is also full of opportunity because companies need to do something with the cash on their balance sheet to fortify their position, their competitive position in their industries. Well, the great advantage that investment managers have on the hedge fund side is to be long and short. And so when there are pressures that emerge, especially on the interest rate side, when people look at spreads or look at the absolute level of yields and think that there is really no place to go but up, our managers can take advantage of those particular situations. They can take yield curve positions where they benefit from rising rates, especially at the long end, which I think most people have an expectation that inflation at some point is going to come into play.